I'm working on a 2010 Honda Odyssey. This car came with a fuel smell all over. Every time you come near the car, you smell a fuel. It's like a fuel leak. And so anyway, I removed the fuel tank already. As you can see, it's taken out. And I was able to drive the car without the fuel tank on it, so I could take it out of the shop. So I'm just gonna show you the fuel tank and where's the leak coming from. I already cleaned it here. Here's the fuel tank. You could see the fuel pump cracked right here. This is look like a galaxy here. You can see it's really weird. This is the original fuel pump, came with the Honda Odyssey. I believe it have like 130,000 miles on it. But this is where the fuel coming from. So anyway, you can see probably the fuel marks. Let me get a light here. I already washed it, but you can see that this coloring on, it's like the bluish here. It's like a river around the pump. The fuel was around here. You can see the fuel was very much accumulating in this valley here, and it used to go through here and coming down, and you can see the discoloration and the marks on it. You can see that these marks, if you notice. So you can see it very much. I think it's obvious. It's like you see the blue line between the tank. Looks black, but this looks blue, bluish, darker blue. So that's very much it. I'm gonna show you how I drove the car out of the left here to have a space, because this is gonna sit. I'm waiting for the insurance company to come and look at it, because the customer have warranty, a mechanic warranty on it. So I'm gonna show them this. Once we settle, I'm gonna have to put this back on, put new fuel pump, and put it back on. But I'm gonna show you how I moved the car. I literally drove the car without fuel pump. I started the engine, I drove the car. I'm gonna show you how I did this. Probably next video or in the same video, I'm not sure, but it depends how busy I am. Okay, so this is very much the leak, where it's coming from. Alright, thank you for watching.